Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a classic interview problem, finding the minimum element in a rotated sorted array. This is a great problem to understand modified binary search. First, let's understand what we mean by a rotated sorted array. Imagine you have a standard sorted array, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we rotate it, we essentially take a chunk from the end and move it to the front. The internal order is preserved, but the starting point changes. Here is the problem statement. You are given an array of unique integers that was sorted, but then rotated. Your task is to find the minimum element. The critical constraint is that your solution must run in logarithmic time complexity. The most intuitive approach is to just iterate through the entire array and keep track of the smallest number we have seen. While this gives the correct answer, it takes linear time, or big O of n for very large arrays. This is not efficient enough to meet our constraints. To get logarithmic time, we need to discard half of the search space at each step. Even though the array is rotated, it still maintains two increasing sorted segments. We can use a modified binary search to exploit this property. Let's visualize the array values as heights. You can see two rising slopes. The minimum element is the only point where the value drops significantly compared to the previous element. It acts as a pivot point between the two sorted halves. In our binary search, if the middle element is greater than the rightmost element, it means the middle element belongs to the left sorted portion. This implies the smaller numbers, and thus the minimum must be somewhere to the right. So, we move our left pointer to mid plus 1. Conversely, if the middle element is less than or equal to the rightmost element, it means the middle is already in the smaller right side sorted portion. The minimum could be the middle element itself or something to its left. So, we bring the right pointer to mid. Here is the implementation in Python. We initialize left and right pointers. Inside the loop, we calculate the middle index. Based on the comparison with the rightmost element, we adjust our pointers. Finally, when the loop ends, the left pointer will be at the minimum element. Since we divide the search range by 2 in every iteration, our time complexity is big O of log, and we are using constant extra space, so our space complexity is big O of 1. This meets all the problem constraints perfectly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.